Nattawat is the most handsome and lovely Thai actor. His stage name is Fourth. Fourth date of birth is October 18, 2004. Fourth is 20 years old. Bangkok, Thailand is where Fourth was born. Fourth made his debut in 2019. Agency of Fourth is GMM His mother is from Sakon Nakhon in the Eastern province. Completing the grade 12 equivalency test allowed him to graduate from St. Gabriel's College. At the moment, he is a law student at Chulalongkorn University. Fourth entered the GMM reality show Thailand School Star 2019 when he was 15 years old. After winning, he and Anpriya Phat signed exclusive contracts with GMM. Fourth debut on television in 2021 in the Thai version of F4 Thailand Boys Over Flowers. He also made a brief appearance in Bad Buddy as Pat and Prawns Jr. in high school. Fourth's first major role was in the boys' love series My School President in December 2022 when he played Kun, the leader of High School Music Club. Fourth gained significant recognition as a result of My School President's rising popularity, which also prompted several fan gatherings between the actors and viewers in various Asian nations. Fourth played Kun again in 2 episodes of the anthology series Over Sky 2 in the middle of 2023. One of GMM's so-called established couples or performers that regularly feature together in romance series. And also take part in concerts, fan gatherings, promotional events, and interviews together is Fourth and Gemini, who gained popularity swiftly as Gemini Fourth. They performed as the main act at the Gemini Fourth My Turn concert in August, which was their first performance together. Fourth and Gemini was set to co-star in the Girls' Love series 23.5 in 2023, but it was revealed in July that they had left the show to focus on their roles in a new series. During the GMM 2024 Up and Above Part 1 press conference in October, it was revealed that Fourth and Gemini will be the stars of My Love Mix-Up, a 2024 series based on the Japanese manga. With his own apparel brand New Moon, Fourth was also active in business. Zodiac sign of Fourth is Libra. Fourth nationality is Thai. Fourth blood type is unknown. He has a net worth of about $2 million. Religion of Fourth is not confirmed. Fourth MBTI type is INFP. Fourth profession is an actor and singer. Height of Fourth is 1.78 meter. Fourth weight is 63 kg. Fourth is not dating at the moment. Fourth Nattawat Instagram account. Fourth Instagram account has 3.7 million followers. Fourth beautiful eyes color is black. Black is the color of his hair. Blue is his favorite color. He decided to work with Gemini as his acting companion. His favorite food is vegetables. He was signed to GMM after winning Thailand School Star in 2019. He is afraid of dogs, cats, and more. Football is his favorite sport. Tay and Nanan are his idols, he says. Throughout high school, mathematics was his favorite subject. He is not fond of most animals. Subscribe for more videos.